A very good morning to one and all present here.
We welcome our lovely students ceremoniously by our loving teachers. Let's put our hands together to welcome them. And now, let's give a huge round of applause to welcome our manager, Sister Rosalie, our principal, Sister Vimla, the superior of CSLM, Sister Rosalie, our vice principal, Sister Pushpa, and they are escorted by Mrs. Sharon Rick. Children, kindly clap. Let's welcome our guests.
बचपन में अक्सर सभी से एक सवाल पूछा जाता है। बचपन में अक्सर सभी से एक सवाल पूछा जाता है। मुझसे भी बहुत बार यह पूछा गया है। मुझसे भी ये बहुत बार पूछा गया है कि बड़े होकर क्या बनोगे? कि बड़े होकर क्या बनोगे? अब जाकर उस प्रश्न का जवाब मिला है। अब जाकर उस प्रश्न का जवाब मिला है। फिर से छोटा बनना है। फिर से छोटा बनना है। बचपन कितना प्यारा होता है। बचपन कितना प्यारा होता है। अब समझ में आने लगा। अब समझ में आने लगा।
This is true that children are most beautiful creation of God. They spread fragrance of love. A very happy and a cheerful morning to all. I, Ms. Ashwini,
And I, Mrs. Savita,
welcome you all to the Children's Day program, which is anticipated. 14th November is the birth anniversary of our beloved Chacha Nehru. No doubt that this is the day we all wait for a year. It is our day. So, are you ready? Let me hear you loud. We need God for everything. Hence, let us begin the day's program. Let us invite the mighty presence of our Lord amidst us by lighting of the lamp. And therefore, I invite our principal, Sister Vimla, the superior of Sneha Sadan, Sister Roshni, Sharon ma'am, and our student representatives, Miss Anjali from class 7A, Miss Swara Savarkar from class 6A, Master Daksh from 6B, Master Advait from 5th A, and Miss Arya from class 5th B to come forward and light.
आमंत्रित करती हूँ शारन मैम को।
Good morning, children, and a very happy Children's Day to all of you. Today is 14th November, the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, with love, all the children of India used to call him Chacha Nehru. Today on this occasion, children, I would like to tell you the 3 rights of being a child in India. Right? Now when you are the children, you have certain rights and you should be aware of it. The very first right is the right to education. You all the children of India should have a proper education. That was the dream of Chacha Nehru. The another right was the right of being cared of. All the children in India, Chacha Nehru always thought that all the children of India should be cared properly. They should get proper care. They should get proper love and affection. Now, where do you get this care? You get this care 2 places. One in your family and another from the school. So, we in the school, we promise that we'll take proper care of you, and if there is any problem you can definitely come to us, talk to us, share your problems with us so that we can get it sorted. The third right is right of proper nutrition, right of proper diet. You should have a proper diet, you should eat properly, and so that you can grow properly. So these are your rights at this age. So enjoy your day and Happy Children's Day once again.
We have heard birds and animals making sounds. If you listen carefully, you'll come to know that they are not sounds, but songs sung by them. It is a great gift for them to speak out through singing and express their thoughts. Whereas we human beings have received the greatest gift that we can chirp like an insect, roar like a lion, and sing melodiously like a nightingale. Your teaching nightingales are here ready to perform before you with their melodious song.
दिल में कोई गम नहीं, दिल में कोई गम नहीं, बातों में कोई दम नहीं, बातों में कोई दम नहीं। ये ग्रुप है नवाबों का, यहाँ कोई किसी से कम नहीं। ये ग्रुप है नवाबों का, यहाँ कोई किसी से कम नहीं। तो अभी आपके सामने आपके टीचर्स आपके लिए सुंदर सा नृत्य प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं। तो आप सभी बच्चों को जोरों से ताली बजाकर
Wasn't that a stunning performance, children? Let's give them a huge round of applause.
वो माँ की लोरी सुनकर सो जाना, वो माँ की लोरी सुनकर सो जाना, वो पापा के दिए हुए पैसे से आइसक्रीम खाना, वो पापा के दिए हुए पैसों से आइसक्रीम खाना, वो पढ़ाई से जी चुराना, वो पढ़ाई से जी चुराना, और स्कूल नहीं जाने के लिए बहाने बनाना, और स्कूल नहीं जाने के बहाने बनाना। कुछ भी कहो दोस्तों, कुछ भी कहो दोस्तों, मुश्किल है बचपन को बुलाना, मुश्किल है बचपन को बुलाना।
We commemorate our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, 14th November, as Children's Day. He was fond of children, thus he was called Chacha Nehru by kids. So, we have here an interview with Chacha Nehru.
गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम। कैसे हैं आप सब? आप सभी का स्वागत है सेंट जोसेफ डेली न्यूज में। आज हमारे खास गेस्ट हमारे इंडिया के पहले प्रधानमंत्री, जिन्होंने इंडिया के इंडिपेंडेंस के लिए अपना बहुत योगदान दिया। बच्चे इन्हें प्यार से चाचा कहते हैं और जिनका जन्मदिन हम 14 नवंबर को मनाते हैं। बच्चों, क्या आपको पता है वो कौन है? एग्जैक्टली, लेट्स टुगेदर वेलकम मिस्टर जवाहरलाल नेहरू सर। सर, कैसे हैं आप आज?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, थैंक यू सर।
और प्यारे बच्चों, आप कैसे हैं?
सेंट जोसेफ परिवार में आप पहली बार आए हैं, आपको यहाँ आके कैसे लग रहा है?
मुझे यहाँ आकर सच में बहुत ही प्रसन्नता हो रही है। यहाँ का परिवेश और यहाँ उपस्थित प्रधानाचार्य, अध्यापक, अध्यापिकाएं और सभी अभिभावकों को देखकर और खासकर मेरे प्यारे बच्चों को देखकर मुझे सच में बहुत प्रसन्नता हुई।
बच्चों से याद आया, आपको बच्चे प्यार से चाचा कहते हैं, इसकी कोई खास विशेषता?
जी हाँ, मुझे बच्चे बहुत ही प्यारे हैं। मेरे अंदर मन से बच्चे मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं और जब भी मेरे निजी कार्य से मुझे फुर्सत होती है तब मैं इन प्यारे बच्चों के साथ गुफ्तगू करता हूँ, उनके मन की बातें जानता हूँ। इसलिए बच्चे मुझे प्यार से चाचा चाचा कहकर पुकारते हैं और अपनापन जताते हैं।
सर, आप आज सीनियर परिवार में आए हैं और आपका जन्मदिन भी है 14 नवंबर को। क्या आप हमारे बच्चों के लिए कोई खास संदेश लाए हैं?
आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं बच्चों को यही संदेश देना चाहूँगा कि बच्चों, आप सभी सुनहरे भारत के भविष्य हैं। आगे आपके कंधों पर भारत के नवनिर्माण की जिम्मेदारी आने वाली है, जिसके चलते आपको हमेशा और सदा हमारे भारत पे आने वाली हर संकट और कठिनाइयों के लिए तैयार रहना है और तत्पर रहना है। अपने ज्ञान से अपने भारत के नवनिर्माण के लिए आपको प्रयास करना है। आपके अच्छे भविष्य के लिए मैं आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ।
थैंक यू सर हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। इसी के साथ आज का इंटरव्यू खत्म होता है। मैं आपकी होस्ट जल्द आपसे मिलूंगी। तब तक अपना ख्याल
I now request our manager, Sister Rosalie, to enlighten us with her words of wisdom.
Today we celebrate and rejoice over the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was born in 1889 and breathed his last in 1964. Soon after his death, the Indian government passed a resolution to celebrate and mark this day as Children's Day. Do you know, children, why we celebrate this day as Children's Day? Okay. Chacha Nehru loved the children very much, and he was the epitome of love and compassion towards the children. And he was surrounded by children always. And he said, when a child well nurtured, they build a stronger and united nation. Since he loved the children used to call very fondly and lovingly Chacha Nehru. Children, as we know, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, his eyes were always upon children. So he organized different programs for the welfare and betterment of children. He loved, cared, protected them always. And many laws were established in favor of children, that they should be protected and cared for. As Sharon ma'am said, you should have a nutrition, a very good diet for your growth. One more is? Very good. Children have a right to education to develop and grow as a beautiful, smart children, a committed child for the nation. And also he said, today's children are tomorrow's citizens who love the country. So today, the future of the nation is in the hands of whom? Yes, in the hands of children. So I would tell something that one day one child wanted to see heaven and earth. Where is heaven? No idea. I said no. Heaven is the place where God lives and dwells. And the child was taken to a room where all on the table, so many items of food items were there. So beautiful. And they were also uncles, aunties to eat that. So what happens? Their hands were tied with a stick from the shoulders to the wrists. And these aunties were crying. And they were very sad. They were very hungry, but they could not eat. Why? Because eat because they could not fold the hands. So they were crying. And the child went to the next room. There were also beautiful items were prepared and ice cream, vegetables, biryanis, everything. And the uncles, those who are eating there, were also tied with a stick on their hands. Can they fold their hands then? No. Can they eat the food? No. But these aunties and uncles were very happy, joyful, talking. And they were discussing, oh, food is served on the, prepared on the table. But we can't eat, what can we do? And one auntie suggested, I can fold my fingers. I can take the food with my hands, palms. Listen now. So they said, we will help one another. You take the food with the hands and you feed the other. Uncle, can we feed them? Very good. And they said, you take your hand and catch the food and feed the other auntie. So, what do we get from here? The message is, when we are in trouble, sadness, we need to share our problem with others and discuss how can we solve it and be happy. So these uncles and aunties, they discussed among themselves and find a solution to come out of their anger. Is it not? So the message is, when we help others, others will come to our help. Is it not? We are created to help out the other people. So today, children, let us take a pledge that we will create a safety place where the future of the nation will be safe. And we will fulfill the dreams of Chacha Nehru for all of you by dreaming big things. And he said, all the children should become a leader. What was his dream? Say louder, please. Children should become smart, filled with the qualities of God, love, compassion, obedience, relating with one another, love, no fighting, and studying well always, respecting your mamas, teachers in the class, so that we will become a bright students and we become the leaders of our country, our society, our nation. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a leader, the first Prime Minister. So what do you like to become? Who will take care of the nation? Can you? Can you take care of the nation? So children, we wish you all once again a very happy and bright, joyful and a happy Children's Day to all of you. Thank God bless you.
Gratitude is one of the most important values taught in the school. Always be grateful in whatever you do. I now call upon Kiran ma'am to come forward and propose a vote of thanks.
A very warm morning to one and all present here. Saying thank you is more than a good manner. It is good spirituality. First of all, I feel privileged to thank our Principal Sister Bimla, Vice Principal Sister Pushpa, and our Manager Sister Rosalie for the kind motivation. Your concern has nurtured this institute and its students. It gives me immense pleasure to thank our dedicated teachers and congratulate them for their willingness for organizing this program beyond their comfort zone. You have made this day joyful with your impressive performances. Sincere gratitude goes to dear students and well-wishers for gracing the occasion. Thank you so much for attending this event. Finally, it is important that I acknowledge the unconditional love and respect given by our beloved students, dear students. On behalf of our management, principal, teaching and non-teaching staff, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Thank you. Happy Children's Day.
Thank you, ma'am. So here we
Savita,
and Ashwini sign off for today. Have a great day and
Happy Children's Day.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।